In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI not working. If Krisp AI won't open, doesn't reduce background noise, crashes unexpectedly, or isn't working with your favorite apps, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help you get Krisp AI working again. Let's get started. First, make sure Krisp AI is running properly on your computer. If the application is frozen or unresponsive, close it completely and reopen it. You can also restart your computer, as this often fixes temporary software glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Although Krisp AI performs many functions locally, certain features such as account verification and syncing may require a stable internet connection. Refresh your connection and try launching the application again. Now, verify that you're using the latest version of Krisp AI. Running an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues with your operating system or communication apps. If an update is available, install it and restart the application. You should also confirm that Krisp AI is selected as the correct microphone and speaker in both the Krisp settings and the app you're using, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or Discord. Incorrect audio device selection is one of the most common reasons Krisp appears not to work. If the problem continues, temporarily disable antivirus software or firewall protection to see if they're blocking Krisp AI. You should also close other applications that may be controlling your microphone or audio devices, since only one application may have exclusive access in some cases. Another helpful step is to reinstall Krisp AI. Uninstall the application completely, restart your computer, and install the latest version again. This can fix corrupted files or installation problems.